How to hide Facebook history from anyone. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So before starting the video, make sure to update Facebook to the latest version. After updating, open up Facebook on a device. Now tap on the profile or simply tap on create story. Now select a photo or video. Now tap on settings at the bottom left corner. Now go to privacy. Now tap on hide story from. Now tap on save. Again tap on hide story from. Now select the contact and simply go back. Now simply go back and tap on share. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.